Are you looking for paradise? A place where you can entertain all of your guests as well as be close to the nightlife that Lake of the Ozarks has to offer? Well, welcome to 27 Damsel Road. I'm Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Let's go take a look. If you would like to tour this beautiful home, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005 or jasonwhittle.com. Thanks and have a great day.